Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to see your Spotify Wrapped in 2020. So it's going to be your top songs on your Spotify in 2020. I'm going to show you guys how to access that and how to check those songs out. Now, it's not done on the Spotify app at all. So if you guys notice on your Spotify app, you go over to it, there's nothing here about any Spotify Wrapped or any top songs or anything like that. So to access this, all you want to do is you want to go over to the Spotify website and just open up that. Once you're on Spotify.com right here, if you just scroll down, you will see right here 2020 Wrapped. So you can go ahead and click on Explore Your Wrapped right here. And then it will bring you into your application. It might also pop up on your screen if you're not logged in and asking you to log in. And then it will prompt you over to your Spotify like it did for me right here. But once you're done doing this, you just want to go over to the application and you'll have all the top songs right here that you can go through and listen to and check out the playlist and stuff like that. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.